Welcome. In front of me I have Listo SP50 and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar shortcuts. So at the first you have to open your notification bar and then tap on this icon. Right now we can easily change position of these icons. For example, click, hold and then drag the Do Not Disturb mode right here. And right now we can release. We can change also position of the Bluetooth. If you want to add additional icons like Google, just pick it right here. And that's how it looks. After that you can just go back and everything was safe. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.